Hello everyone, my name is Chuhan Qiao. You can just call me Chuan because Chuan has a similar pronunciation with my Chinese name Chuhan. And my hometown is Xi'an in Shanxi province in China. So our city has a long history about 3,000 years and we are the capital of 13 dynasty. Um, so I'm the first year student in the Ohio State University and my major is pharmacy. As for why I chose pharmacy as my major because my parents are both doctors and I love biology and chemistry when I was young, so I chose to be a pharmacist in the future. And as for my hobbies, I like to reading books, watching movies, and listen to the music and doing some sports just like most of the college students. So today I will talk about story about my best friend Christina and me. So when I was in a primary school, I was really shy and I don't want to talk with others because I think they maybe don't like me. So I just don't want to bother them. So I don't actually have friends at first. Then Christina, she found me and she said she wants to be a good friend with me. And she is really outgoing and friendly. And she introduced me to her friends and make us friends too. So I was really thankful to her because she makes me outgoing and she makes me want to talk with others. And she told me if you don't talk to them, they maybe don't they may not notice you, so they may not be your friends. So that's why she is really important to me because she changed me. She make me be a better self. So and that's my story. Thank you.